Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create and view S3 bucket using AWS CLI in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS CLI. As you can see, we are in CLI. Here first we need to log in with our AWS credentials. For this, type AWS configure and hit enter. Here we need access ID and secret ID. After login with your AWS credentials, if you want to view the S3 buckets in your account, for this type AWS space S3 space ls and hit enter. Here you can see all buckets which you have created in your S3. Now if you want to create a new bucket in S3, for this type AWS space S3 space MB for make bucket space and provide the path where you want to create this bucket, which is S3:// and give the name for your bucket. After providing name, specify the region where you want to create this bucket. For this type --region space region name. For example, I want to create this bucket in US East 1. So type US-East-1 and hit enter. As you can see, our bucket is created successfully. If I want to view the S3 buckets again, type AWS S3ls and hit enter. Here you can see test-bucket 0092 is showing. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.